Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your Praveen Kumar and you're watching Shades of Praveen. For today's video to draw a baby Hulk, you're going to require a black pen, dark green, light green and blue color pencil. So let's get started. I'm starting with the eyes by making his eyebrows and eyeballs touching each other as our baby Hulk is a little bit angry now. We are doing a small circle inside the eyeball. Well, that will become his eyelids. Now I'm going through the hair and other facial structures. And then his body. Our baby Hulk loves to wear shorts, so I'm going to draw a shorts here. Among Marvel superheroes, Hulk is one of my favorites. That's why I took Hulk for today's video. If you want me to draw any other anime character or cartoon character, do let me know in the comment section. Here I had done dark green for hair and black eyebrows and his eyelids. Then we just need to color his whole body with light green and his shorts with blue. After that, we are done with the baby Hulk. Here our baby Hulk is ready now. That's the wrap up for today's video. Stay tuned for the next exciting shade of Shades of Praveen.